everyone, and good afternoon to all of you. And how are you all? Please comment and batao. And this is our 13th day of 75 days lead coding challenge. And today we have problem is binary trees with factors. Lead code 823 problem. So please, before going to forward in this video, please make sure that you have liked and subscribed to this channel. This will motivate me a lot. प्लीज एक लाइक और चैनल लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर दो चैनल को जिससे हम जल्दी 200 सब्सक्राइबर्स क्रॉस कर दें प्लीज so let's read the problem. The problem is saying that we have given an array of unique integers arr where each integer arr of I is strictly greater than I1. We make a binary tree using these integers and each number may be used for any number of times. मतलब एक नंबर कितने भी number of times use हो सकता है, ठीक है. Each non-leaf node's value should be equal to the product of the values of its children. Means the value of the root node will be the product of the children's of nodes. Means लेफ्ट नोड एंड राइट नोड का जो प्रोडक्ट होगा वो रूट नोड के इक्वल होगा. बेसिकली प्रॉब्लम ये कह रहा है, ठीक है. वी हैव टू रिटर्न द नंबर ऑफ बाइनरी ट्रीज वी कैन मेक. द आंसर मे बी टू लार्ज, सो रिटर्न द आंसर विद मॉड्यूलो 10⁻9 + 7. So let's discuss the problem. Let's see the intuition part for this. So it's my advice to all of you that after reading this problem, please do the code by yourself. Let's means at least make a intuition how we can solve this problem and other things by yourself. This will be very beneficial for you to all. So let's read the example. Example 2 is good enough to understand this problem. So example in example 2, ARR equals to 2, 4, 5 and 10. So so we can make these trees. Like we can make a separate tree. So first part is we can make a separate tree with each element. Okay. So 2, 4 and 5 and 10 can make a tree uh with one element also. So 2, 4, 5, 10 is the tree. Okay. Then we have to make a tree like that root node, जो भी root node है और उसके जो दोनों चाइल्ड्स हैं, दोनों चाइल्ड्स के प्रोडक्ट का जो प्रोडक्ट आएगा वो रूट नोड के इक्वल होना चाहिए, ठीक है. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दीज टू चाइल्ड्स शुड बी इक्वल टू द रूट नोड की वैल्यू. ओके. सो और we can use each element multiple times. So if we use 4 to 2, so we can see 4 is the root node and the child of the root node is 2 and 2. The product of 2 and 2 is 4, so we can use this 4 to 2 can make a binary tree. And also 10 to 5 and 10 5 2 because 5 and 2, if we product 5 and 2, that will be equal to the 10 root node. So we can use this. Let's see the constraint for this problem. Constraint is saying that the length of the array can be 1 to 10,000, means 1000. Sorry. So if we use a big of n square solution, that can be also a better solution because it is 10 to the power 3. So big of n square is 10 to the power 6. So 10 to the power 6 is good enough to complete the solution. So let's do the code. Let's see the intuition part for this firstly. So let's go on the PPT part. Yeah, as you can see, uh, we have tried on this approach. So firstly, do this. If we take a element 2, so 2 can make a separate tree. So this will be number of ways of to form a binary tree will be 1 and total number of ways will be 1. If we use 4, so 4 can make a separate tree. First 4 can make a separate tree and 4 also make the tree 4 2 2. So we have two ways to form a binary tree here. So 1 plus 2 will be 3. if we use 5, so 5 can also make a single tree. 5 can't make another trees because it is a odd integer, so it can't make a tree. So this will be 4 and this will be and so on 7. So approach is we have to sort the array first. If we don't sort this array, our test case, some test case will not be run. So we have to sort the array first, then we will create map. So let's see why we create map. Map is like a DP. If we create array also, it will also work. So it is basically to store the a number of ways to form a binary tree. So this is clear. Then we will traverse the array. And we know that single element can form an array, single element can form a binary tree. And also multiple elements can form a binary tree. So let's see the dry run so that we can understand proper. So this is the dry run for this. So firstly, we have to take 2 pointers. One is from 1 to nth index and another one is from 0 to ith index. Why we are starting from from the index 1? Because we are starting from the index 1 to, because if we start from index 0, so previous element we can't take. That's why we are starting from 1th element to n element. So I will go to 1 to n and j will go to I minus 1 to 0. Means j will go to backward and I will go to forward. So firstly we have to sort this. I have cleared this in before. Yeah. Then we have to create a DP and initialize with 1. Then we will see if I is in fourth point, means the I pointer is 4. So 4 is our root node. Then we will check j पीछे जाएगा तो we will check if j equals to 2. So the left part is 2. If my left part is 2, so right part क्या होगा? Root divided by left part, because the product of left and right is equal to the रूट नोड. सो रूट डिवाइड बाई लेफ्ट इक्वल टू क्या होगा? राइट पार्ट. सो हम राइट पार्ट को चेक करेंगे इफ 2 इज प्रेजेंट इन दिस एरे, या 2 इज प्रेजेंट, सो वी विल इंक्रीज द काउंट, we will increase the ARR of I of 4. So this will be 2 now. So अब ith pointer 5 पर आएगा. 5 can create only one tree. So let's remove this and go to the 10. If I is on 10 and j will go to I minus 1 to 0. So if I root node is 10, then like the left part क्या हो जाएगा मेरा? If j 5 पे है तो 5 हो जाएगा और 10 by 5 क्या हो जाएगा? 2. फिर 2 को चेक करूंगा मैं, उसमें एरे में है या एरे में है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? 10 के काउंट को इंक्रीज कर देंगे. नाउ 10 काउंट ऑफ द 10 इज 2. नाउ अगेन j 2 पर आएगा, सो लेफ्ट वाला 2 बन जाएगा, तो राइट वाला क्या हो जाएगा? 10 बाई 2 5. नाउ हम चेक करेंगे 5 प्रेजेंट है उसमें. हाँ है. तो हम 10 वाले काउंट को फिर इंक्रीज कर देंगे. नाउ इट इज क्लियर. नाउ वी विल सम ऑल द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द DP. It will be 3 plus 2 5 and 6 7. So our answer will be 7. So this is a dry run for this problem. Let's do the code. So yeah. So firstly we have to sort this array. So sort ARR dot begin comma ARR dot end. Now what will I do? I'll create a map. I am creating a map. You can create also a tree. So map of long type, long comma long map. Now I will traverse and I will initialize the map elements to 1. So for long I equals to 0 to I less than arr dot size, then I plus plus. So dp of arr of I equals to 1. I am initializing this dp of arr of I means the elements of the dp to 1. Now I'll traverse the whole array for I equals to 0 to I less than starting from I will start from 1, I less than arr dot size, then I plus plus. Now see, we have driven this and j is going from I minus 1 to 0. So for j equals to I minus 1 to j is greater than equals to 0, then j minus minus. ठीक है, let's write this int. Okay, अब j मेरा I minus 1 से j greater than equal to 0 तक जा रहा है. Now I will check if arr of I modulo arr of j इक्वल टू अगर मॉड्यूलो 0 है तो मैं राइट पार्ट बना सकता हूँ उसको, क्योंकि लेफ्ट पार्ट मीन्स राइट पार्ट क्या होगा, रूट डिवाइड बाई लेफ्ट पार्ट. सो इट कैन बी राइट पार्ट. सो इंट राइट इक्वल्स टू arr of I divided by arr of j. This is done. Now if dp of राइट पार्ट, अब dp इसमें चेक करेंगे कि अगर हम dp ऑफ राइट पार्ट है अगर, तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा उसमें, मतलब हम प्रीवियस एलिमेंट को ऐड करते जा रहे थे ना उसमें. तो dp ऑफ arr ऑफ I प्लस इक्वल्स टू dp ऑफ arr ऑफ I प्लस इक्वल्स टू dp ऑफ arr ऑफ j, प्रीवियस एलिमेंट मैंने ऐड किया, इनटू उन दोनों के मल्टीप्लाई के बराबर होगा ना, लाइक दिस 2 और 5 like this. Please make this by yourself. Into dp of right. So this will be dp of right dp of right. So finally we have to mod this. So let's create int mod equals to 1e9 1e9 plus 7. So modulo with mod. This is done. This part is done. So finally we have to create int sum equals to 0. Now we have to traverse all the dp elements. So okay, or int I equals to 0 to I less than dp dot size. No, it will be arr dot size. Then I plus plus means sum plus equals to dp of arr of I means उस dp के अंदर जो भी एलिमेंट थे वो मैंने ऐड किए. ठीक है, तो लेट्स राइट दिस लाइक दिस सम प्लस, और उसका मॉड भी कर दिया, मॉड्यूलो मॉड. and we will return this sum. हम्म, इसको भी ऐसे ही करते हैं, इक्वल्स टू dp of arr of I। ठीक है, now we have created this. Let's run this problem and run this code. dp of arr of I equals to 1. Oh, it will be mad. So let's do this dp. Line number 19. Let's make this separate. Now let's run this problem. As you can see, it is working perfect. Let's submit this code. So it is working perfect. So now let's discuss about time and space complexity. No, the time and space complexity you will comment in comment section. So if you know another approaches for this, then please comment it. And if you find this helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe for this video. And we will meet in next video. This is the complete code. Let's just see this.